Here is Chloe's Lunar New Year. Lunar New Year, Chloe says. I can't wait for reunion dinner tonight. The whole family will come to celebrate, Mama says. And Amma too, Chloe says. Amma too, Mama says. But first, it's time to sweep out the old to make room for good luck in the new year. Out go Papa's shoes with the broken lace, Mama's worn-down flats, Amma's flip-flops with the outline of toes and heels. Chloe gives up her sneakers with a hole in the toes. Then, Noah's first rain boots. New shoes for Papa and Mama, sparkly ones for Chloe. Time to set the table, Papa says. We'll do it! Chloe piles good luck oranges in a bowl and lays out forks and spoons. Rat-a-tat-tat! Noah drums with the chopsticks. Now it's time to make everyone's favorite dishes. Let's make Auntie Lee's turnip cake, Chloe says. Chloe and Mama grate the turnip, steam it, cool it, stir in rice flour, and steam it again. Sizzle slices. Crispy brown. There's more feast to prepare. Uncle Tony loves good luck fish, Chloe says. Snapper fish, ginger fish, steamed fish, fish eyes. Oh my! And I have to say, if I had fish on a plate, I don't think I want fish eyes staring at me either. Amma needs her favorite too, Chloe says. We'll make the hot pot together, Mama says. Chloe and Mama sip spinach and pull carrots from their garden. Mama chops bok choy and slices the meat paper thin. Snap, Chloe says, showing Noah how to snap beans. Snap, snap, Noah says. Soak the see-through noodles, Chloe says. Splash, splash. What should we make for dessert, Mama asks. Our favorite, Chloe says. Our favorite, Mama says. Flour on Chloe's hands, flour on Noah's cheeks, flour everywhere as they roll the dough. Sprinkle with sugar and cinnamon, slide into the oven to bake up sweet. The feast is almost ready. Amma showed me how to decorate the red envelope, Chloe says. Whirls of color and a dust of gold. And we'll add our own hearts. She helps Noah tuck them into the red envelope. Just in time as ding dong! Everyone's here! Happy Lunar New Year, Chloe says. 新年快乐, Uncle Tony says with his deep rumble laugh. Happy reunion dinner! Auntie Lee brings a tray of sticky fortune cakes for good luck in the new year. Mama ladles steaming balls of hot pot and one for Amma. I'll show you how to blow, blow, blow to cool the bowl, Chloe says to Noah. Papa passes crispy turnip cake. Chloe takes two because it's cake, and gives one to Noah because it's still turnip. Half for you and half for me, Chloe says, sharing her good luck orange with Noah. Time to toast, Chloe says. To good fortune, everyone says. And for an even sweeter ending, double slices of apple pie for Chloe and for Noah. Noah gobbles this down. Yum, Chloe says, eating one. Then, with her last slice, oh, happy reunion dinner, Amma, Chloe says. Thanks so much for listening.